Hello everybody and welcome to Toulouse, France's fourth biggest city and Europe's capital for space and aeronautics. My name is Marine and today I'm not going to give you 5 or 10 good reasons to visit us, but I'll try to show you what you could actually experience in Toulouse for a 2-day trip. Ready? Start your journey beyond the stars at la Cité de l'Espace. This unique theme park is dedicated to space exploration and invites you to discover the life of the astronauts, admire real-size spacecraft, learn everything about weather forecasts, and soon we'll take you directly to the Red Planet with a brand new Martian arena. After la Cité de l'Espace, head to the Aeroscopia Museum to discover more than 30 legendary aircraft, such as the Concorde or the double-deck A380. Our tips? Combine your Aeroscopia ticket with an Airbus tour to discover the factories or go pay a visit at Les Ailes Anciennes next door. It's now time to go back to the city centre, because no, Toulouse is far from being an industrial city. It's actually nicknamed the French Pink City because of the color of its brick buildings. Just wander around the main streets and enjoy a nice meal at a terrace. Toulouse is known and loved for its friendly atmosphere. For your second day, indulge yourself in the local gastronomy. A tour at the Victor Hugo market or one of the multiple markets around the city will allow you to taste and buy the local products. And here in Occitanie, heart of southwestern France, it's not just cassoulet that we eat every day. Pink city, but also green. After a lunch in the city center, nothing better than a walk in a park to rest or enjoy family-friendly activities. And who knows, you might even encounter some famous people, like Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, the author of The Little Prince. You may all know about the book, but did you know that he actually lived and worked in Toulouse? He was one of the first pilots who took part to the aeronautical adventure that started in Toulouse back in 1918, the Aéropostale or French airmail service. You'll find out more about him, the first pioneers and the company at l'Envol des Pionniers. Next to l'Envol des Pionniers, on the historical runway where the pilots took off, don't forget to pay a visit at la Halle de la Machine. You'll enter the dreamy world of François de la Rosière and his gigantic machines. Your trip to Toulouse is now almost over, but Toulouse is not just that. Toulouse is also home to really nice museums, Renaissance architecture buildings, nautical or slow tourism activities, not to mention our love for rugby. And when you've seen it all, go a bit further in Occitanie. Between the Pionniers Mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, we really do have it all.